Have you ever struggled to explain something complex on your computer screen? Whether you're a marketer creating a walkthrough for a key customer, a supervisor designing a tutorial for your help desk, or just trying to help your 70-year-old CEO move the start menu after upgrading to Windows 11. Text directions, PowerPoints, and PDFs, they just don't cut it anymore. Creating video instructions is key. But with so many options out there, finding one that's both easy to use and affordable can be a challenge. Well, what if you could capture exactly what you need and add explanations along the way, all without breaking the bank or compromising your schedule? Enter Visla's screen recording tool, your new best friend in digital demonstrations, created by one of the founding members of Zoom. Here's how it works. So the first thing you'll do is go to visla.us, where you can sign up for free. Now, after you sign up for your free Visla account, you will want to select download. And from the download menu, you're going to want to download a desktop client. Now, you can do a lot of things with the regular web version of Visla or with the mobile apps, but this steps recorder is only going to be available for the desktop client. So you'll download the desktop version of Visla, you're going to sign in, and you'll select the site that you want to create that steps recording for. Now, in this case, I have a slide presentation that I want to share with my sales team and show them how they can make a copy of this, save it to their OneDrive, and customize it however they need for their clients. So from here, I'm just going to bring up Visla, and you can see this option right over here that says screen recording. I'm not going to click a screen recording, but I am going to select this submenu at the bottom, and I'm going to select this option, screen step recorder. This is going to launch. I just have to select the window that I want to record, which is going to be right over here. And then I'm just going to go through and model this process. Now, one thing I want to show you is when I take the first step, which is going to be to click the file menu, you'll notice right over there to the left, it records those steps. So right now, one click is one step. The next step can be right over here where I select create a copy online and then select this. So it is recording all of our steps. Let me go through and model this process, and I'll show you what happens once we finish. So I've got my steps right over here. You can see 9 steps were recorded. Now I'm going to select the stop button to stop the recording. Describe your recording for AI to polish. I'm just going to say a video which shares how to save a copy of a presentation in OneDrive to customize for individual clients. From here, I'm going to select preview. And in just a few moments, this video will be created. Alright, so here is my video. It took all of those steps and it broke it down into individual scenes. You can see the first scene that you'll see is the title of this video, and not only is it the text, but Visla also added a narration.
Welcome to this instructional video on how to save a copy of your PowerPoint presentation to OneDrive.
Okay, so that is there. You can see there's that AI generated voice. Now, the nice thing about this is you can go in and change anything that you see in this preview window. So maybe I don't like this image in the background. No problem, I can add my own company brand, or I can select this button to simply change the color of anything that's on the screen. It's going to be the same thing with text. You can see you can change the font size, you can change the position of text, so you have complete free reign to change anything that you see on the screen. Same thing with scene number 2. The first step is to open the file menu. You'll notice that there is now an arrow pointing to the spot that I clicked. Now, in this case, the text is a little bit tough to see. Maybe if I moved it towards the bottom and changed the color a bit, made it a little bit contrast, a little bit with my background, that might be visible for anyone who watches this video. So right now, I'm just going to make some edits, and I'll see you in a few seconds. So with my slides out of the way, the last step is to think about audio. There's an audio tab right over here on the left where you can select this button to change the AI voiceover. You heard the one that previously came with this project. Visla gives you a number of different AI narrators that you can select to customize the voice for your project. The other thing you can do from this audio menu is change the background music. So right now, the song that's in the product is called Inspiring Business Corporate. That's the name of the track. But if I want to change it, I can just select this button to replace the background music, or I can select one of the other songs available through Visla. Or if I have my own MP3 audio that I want to use as a music bed for this video, I can upload that directly to this project. But if your video looks the way that you want it to, go ahead and select export. All right, so the video generation is in progress. This should be done in about a minute or so. Our video is now ready. Let's listen to just a few seconds of it.
Welcome to this instructional video on how to save a copy of your PowerPoint presentation to OneDrive. From the drop-down menu, click on Save a Copy to initiate the process of saving a duplicate of the current presentation.
Okay, so not bad. Now to share this, there's a few different options. The first option is to share it as a link. You can also embed the video, and if you click on these three dots in the corner, you have an option to download the video as an MP4 where you can share wherever you would like. So the best part about this is this took me probably just a couple minutes to do all the steps and then just to modify the video the way that I want. I see this as saving me a lot of time, and I think this will save you a lot of time as well. So you can find this at visla.us. You can sign up for free if it's something you like. Go ahead and purchase one of the many different plans available through Visla. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment area below.